Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's start now. This is AUD USD chart. The trend is downtrend. Okay, and major trend, minor trend also is downtrend. Okay, major trend downtrend, minor trend downtrend. Okay, I will place here our support and resistance here. This is support level. This one is a resistance level. Okay, you can see here this one. Okay, one more, this one also. Okay, one more. You have to understand how is place support and resistance level. Okay, after you can trade like me. Okay, you have to place and understand what is the support and what is the resistance. Okay, this one is our nearby support level. Okay, you can see candle broke this level. Okay, and this whole area is a buyer's area, so most of the chance the next candle will go up. Okay, but I am not sure 100% here. That's it, I am not trade here. I will trade after some time. First you have to watch this area. You can see this area is take 1 minute. Okay, this one area, this whole area is a buyer's area, so next candle go up. Okay, you can see this going up. Okay, so we have to wait some time. When I get right opportunity and 100% sure, then I will be trade. Okay, this that is my sure shot. I am placing here only sure shot. I don't want to waste my time and money on IQ option. Okay, that's it. I am trade 2 or 3 trade daily, but that my 100% sure shot only. Okay, so wait some time and watch. Now what happened here, I'm sure about this candle. This is going down, but I'm waiting some time. Okay, this one is my sure shot trade. Okay, I'm 100% sure this candle going down and give me a winning. Okay, so let's watch here what happened. Okay, why I'm trade here, why I am 100% sure here. Okay, because this area is a seller's area, and I am sure the 1 minute candle going down. Okay, after it can be go up on next candle, but this candle 100% sure going down as a red candle far from my level, my entry level. Okay, you can see this give me a winning trade. Okay, where result. Okay, this one is a winning trade. Okay, you can see this is a winning trade. I am placing another trade, but wait some time. It's 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so wait and watch. Okay, when I get right opportunity, then I will be trade. You can also trade like this. When you get right opportunity, then you can trade. Otherwise, don't trade. Okay, so let's watch here what happened. Okay, I'll place or more 2 trade here and 100% sure trade. Okay, I don't want to waste my time and money here. Okay, this is my demo account, practice account, this one, but actually I am placing in a real account like this 2 or 3 trade, but 100% sure trade. Okay, this one going up, I place a call here. Okay, you can see this one going, this one is my 100% sure shot. Okay, it must be go up. Okay, you can see starting now. Okay, it's closed as a green candle and above my entry level. Okay, and this give me a 100% winning trade. Okay, no problem. This going down, up and down, it's common, no problem. if you lose any trade, then don't panic. Loss are common in IQ option. Okay, you can focus on your winning trade only. Why you winning? Okay, don't focus on losses. Why you lost? Okay, just focus on winning trade. Why you win here? Okay, if your logic is working 100%, you will get profit. Okay, you can see this is also going up. Okay, I am placing another one trade here. It's also sure shot. Okay, wait some time. Okay, when get a right opportunity, then you can trade. Don't trade one by one candle, every candle. Okay, if you trade every candle, you can lose definitely. You have to wait and see your right opportunity, then you can trade. If you 100% sure, then you can trade. Okay, now I am 100% sure after this candle. Okay, and that also my sure shot. Okay, let's see what happen. Okay, that closes green or red. Okay, that's going up. Okay, buyers enter highly. This is a seller's area. Okay, I'll place here a call option. Okay, why I'm placing a call option? Simple logic. Okay, the seller's entry is a cross by buyer's level, and buyers is a force here. In the previous candle, you can see strong buyer's entry. Okay, that easily break this level. Okay, you can see this candle also going up and close as a green candle. I'm sure about this candle, that's it. I am trade here. If I am not sure here, then I didn't trade here. Okay, so this is my last trade, and I'm sure about that trade. It's 100% sure shot. Okay, you can see here I'm sure here, then I will win here. Okay, if you want to learn candlestick psychology, then contact me. My contact number, contact information, then description below. Okay, this is also winning trade. Where is the result? Okay, this one is the result. Okay, this is my demo account. I didn't trade real account on YouTube. Okay, and now we are starting the new bench. Okay, so you can contact me if you want to learn candlestick psychology. Okay, you will definitely learn something from me, and if you practice, then 100% positive result. Okay, you can get 100% positive result. If you want to trade like me, then other like professional trader, then you have to must learn. If you learn, then you can trade like this. Otherwise, you deposit $100 or $1,000, you definitely loss. Okay, because you have to learn first. Any course you learn, then after you apply these strategies, then you will definitely get positive result. Okay, so if you want to learn, you can contact me, no problem. I will provide up privately classes. Okay, my student very happy, and they always told me like this. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye, have a nice day.